Hi, Cameron here from Capital Machinery with the SMG 10-40 bar threading machine. An ideal machine for threading all types of bar, including black bar, bright bar and rebar. Let's take a look over the features and functions of the machine. The machine has a heavy-duty 2-speed gearbox. Depending on the diameter of the bar, you can adjust the speed to high or low range. The chasers can be changed depending on the thread pitch required, and the diameter of the threading head can be adjusted in and out from 10mm to 40mm. The heavy-duty headstock is fitted with hardened gears and oversized spindle bearings with 2 speed ranges. The rotating threading head allows for the bow to be clamped to the saddle for additional rigidity and efficient threading times. A wide range of high-speed steel die chasers are available for different types of threads and different pitches. To increase the life of the threading dies, the machine is fitted with a recirculating lubrication oil system. The saddle is fitted with heat-treated vice jaws which can be indexed depending on the diameter of the bar. The thread length can be easily set with the adjustment collars on the saddle. If you'd like to purchase or require more information on bar threading machines, please don't hesitate to contact us at Capital Machinery Sales.